Hello there. So you don't know how you can simply go ahead and use the Coinbase app. To use the Coinbase app, first you need to create and verify an account. Then you can simply go ahead and add a payment method. You can then buy, sell, or convert cryptocurrency by using the buy and sell option on the home screen right over here. To buy, select the asset, enter the amount, review the order, and confirm the purchase. So other common actions are selling cryptocurrencies. You can navigate to buy and sell, select sell, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and follow the prompts to review and confirm the transaction. You can also send cryptocurrency, so go to the pay tab, select the asset and amount, and then enter the recipient's information, email, phone number, or even wallet address. And you can also go ahead and receive cryptocurrency. Go to the specific cryptocurrencies page and tap receive crypto to find your wallet address and QR code. Be sure to select the correct network. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.